Hello people, this is me, Karman from Game TV. Today I am posting a video from after a very long time. So in this video I would be opening a challenge reward and I would show you a glitch that works perfectly. I am currently at WrestleMania 33 Double Plus tier and I am going to first go to the wild mode and go to edit deck and reduce my deck to a normal level to a lower level and put my bad cards over there. So I'm going to do it and so here we can see that after changing our deck there are still WrestleMania 33 opponents over here. We will have a match over here and then I'm sure that this glitch will work. Let's see. I'm going to lose every match I think over here, but I don't have any problem because then I'm going to win the matches one way or the another. Oh, we can see multiple open challenges complete over there, but we will open the pack later. First, we will see if the glitch works or not. So I'm going to take my picks. I have some picks left from an old match. So wow, I've got an enchantment. So that's actually funny. So we can see over here we have got super rare opponents, and now we will return to our actual deck, which is this 33 double plus. And now we can see that this glitch is working, and now we can play a match and win it easily. This is great for completing challenges. So let's do it now. So that's my reference Asuka against Alicia Fox. So obviously my Asuka will win, and that's my new Alexa Bliss. I just got it from Daily Login Rewards against Emma. Uncommon Emma. So that's my best team over here, which is Jeff Hardy and Randy Orton against Kofi Kingston, Super Rare Kofi Kingston, and Bret Hart, Ultra Rare Bret Hart. So that's a win, easy win. And now, so we can take our picks. So that's the glitch. Now we will go and open the challenge reward pack. So we will go over here. Claim the rewards. That's 10. Let's get maximum I can get is beast. So I've never got beast. That means bad. But I've mostly got Elite or Ardent. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, it's an hard Elite card. And in SummerSlam Toughness, an Elite Samoa Joe. Samoa Joe, not a bad Elite card, but not of use. So that was it for this video. I will be back with another video after some time. And yes, SummerSlam 17 players or Beast or SummerSlam 17 or above players, please join our team, Dave Cena. So If you want to, you can join. So thanks. This was it for this video, and so we will meet after some time.